The Gas One GS 8300 Camp Stove. This compact butane stove is a game-changer for outdoor cooking. The Gas One GS 8300 is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it super easy to carry. It features a foldable design, which means it takes up minimal space in your backpack. Plus, the butane canister is easy to attach. The Gas One GS 8300 has an adjustable burner that provides precise flame control. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, cooking up some pasta, or grilling veggies, this stove can handle it all. It features an automatic safety shutoff system that kicks in if the pressure gets too high. Plus, the stable base and wind-resistant design mean you can cook confidently, even in challenging conditions. The Gas One GS 8300 Camp Stove is available for just $40.27. The credit card tool Survival Arrowhead Axe Multi-Tool Adventure 2.0 by MRF Multi-Tools. This tiny tool packs over 30 functions into one compact, credit card-sized design. The Adventure 2.0 is sleek, lightweight, and fits easily into your wallet or pocket. This tool includes over 30 functions, from a survival arrowhead and axe to various wrenches, screwdrivers, can openers, rulers, and even a bottle opener. One of the standout features is the survival arrowhead. It's sharp and durable, perfect for making arrows in a survival situation. And let's not forget the mini axe function. It's great for chopping small branches or kindling for a fire. The tool is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's tough and durable. You can get this credit card tool survival arrow at just $99.90. The M48 Tactical Tomahawk Military Axe. This isn't just any axe. It's a multifunctional beast designed for serious action. The M48 features a 3 7/8" blade made from cast stainless steel. It's incredibly sharp and durable, capable of cutting through tough materials. It's designed for breaching and piercing tasks, making the M48 a versatile tool for any situation. It's wrapped in a durable nylon cord for a secure grip, even in wet conditions. The fiberglass construction ensures it's lightweight yet incredibly strong. At 15 inches in length, the handle provides excellent leverage and control. You can get the M48 Tactical Tomahawk Military Axe for just $39.99. The Helix Cafe Table and 2 Cafe Chairs Set. Let's talk about the Helix Cafe Table. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for camping, picnics, or even your backyard. These chairs are designed for comfort and durability. They feature a sturdy frame and a comfortable seating surface. Whether you're enjoying a meal, playing cards, or just taking in the view, the Helix Cafe Table and Chairs Set is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. And when it's time to pack up, both the table and chairs fold down compactly, fitting neatly into their carrying cases. And the best part? You can get the Helix Cafe Table and 2 Cafe Chairs Set for just $69.90. The Limited Release Tactical Combat Pocket Knife OTF Pin. The Tactical Combat Pocket Knife OTF Pin is sleek and stylish, with a durable construction that ensures it can handle tough situations. Smooth and reliable, perfect for jotting down notes or signing an important document. Hidden within this elegant pin is a powerful OTF knife. With a simple push of a button, the blade deploys instantly. The blade is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's sharp and durable, perfect for self-defense or cutting tasks in an emergency. Whether you need to open a package, cut through a rope, or defend yourself, this knife is up to the task. The pin itself is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it a lightweight. You can get this limited-release Tactical Combat Pocket Knife OTF pin for just $44.95. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 2020 model. This stove isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse for your outdoor adventures. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 is sleek and portable, making it easy to carry in your backpack. This stove doesn't just cook, it also generates electricity. Thanks to its thermoelectric generator, you can charge your devices while you cook. The integrated battery stores power, so you have energy even when the fire is out. Simply plug in your phone, headlamp, or any USB power device, and you'll have reliable power. The LED dashboard displays the battery level and fan speed. With its efficient burn and smokeless flame, you can cook meals quickly and easily. You can get BioLite camp stove at just $99.90. The most loaded 7-in-1 tactical pin. This isn't just any pin. It's packed with features that solve common weaknesses. The 7-in-1 tactical pin is sleek, durable, and fits comfortably in your hand. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it's ready for tough tasks. The self-defense tip. This hardened tip can be used in emergencies for breaking glass or as self-defense too. The pin also includes a powerful flashlight. Of course, it's a pin too. The ballpoint pin writes smoothly and comes with 5 ink refills. The pin also features a stylus tip for precise control on your phone or tablet. Perfect for those moments when you need to crack open a cold one. Need to tighten a screw? The built-in screwdriver is there for quick fixes. You can get this 7-in-1 tactical pin at just $19.99. The Garmin GPS 67i Rugged Hiking GPS Premium Handheld. This powerhouse is loaded with features like inReach satellite technology, two-way messaging, interactive SOS, and advanced mapping. The GPS 67i is rugged and durable, perfect for any outdoor condition. One of the standout features is the inReach satellite technology. This allows for two-way messaging and interactive SOS, even when you're off the grid. The GPS 67i comes with advanced mapping capabilities. It includes preloaded topographic maps and supports multiple global navigation satellite systems for precise tracking. The device also features weather updates, a built-in compass, and a barometric altimeter, making it a comprehensive tool for any adventurer. The GPS 67i boasts an impressive battery life, ensuring it lasts through long hikes and multi-day trips. The Actic backside 12-volt powered heated seat pad. This innovative heated seat pad is perfect for staying warm and comfortable during your outdoor. The Actic backside heated seat pad is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It's powered by a 12-volt connection, which you can plug into your car or any portable power source. The best part, the heating feature. With just a simple plug-in, this seat pad quickly warms up, providing soothing heat to keep you comfortable in chilly weather. The Actic backside heated seat pad is incredibly versatile. Use it while camping to stay warm in your tent, or bring it along for picnics, fishing trips, and more. You can get this Actic backside at just $129. The Petzl Actic Core Headlamp. This powerful and rechargeable headlamp is perfect for hiking, climbing, camping, and more. The Petzl Actic Core is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. It features a durable headband that adjusts easily for a secure fit. The Actic Core delivers a powerful 600 lumens, providing clear and bright illumination. It has multiple lighting modes, including a wide beam for close-range visibility and a focus beam for long-range lighting. One of the standout features is its rechargeable capability. The Actic Core is powered by a core rechargeable battery, which can be easily recharged via USB. It includes red lighting to preserve night vision. This is perfect for activities like stargazing or reading without disturbing others. It's water-resistant, ensuring reliability in rainy or snowy conditions. You can get this Petzl Actic Core headlamp at just $74.